name is Caleb Archer, and I am a project specialist for M&G Pizza, doing business as Domino's. We have, just in the past couple years, expanded from 12 locations to 26. Before Eagle Eye, we were using a number of different solutions to facilitate those needs of a growing company, and we found very quickly that they were not very user-friendly, and the quality, especially live streaming, was terrible. One of the things that Eagle Eye did for us was give us the opportunity to test out the system in one of our locations for 30 days, free of charge. Over those 30 days, we realized that not only did it meet our needs, but it exceeded our needs in a way that is not just hardware oriented. This service was amazing throughout this entire process. I absolutely love the feature of tagging cameras. We're able to not only pull up all of our cameras at the same time, simultaneously and by area and location, but assign unique, specific tags to individual cameras.
Brett Metters, Domino's franchisee. I own 26 stores currently. I've been in Domino's now for 36 years. Started out delivering pizza in college and just never stopped. As a multi-unit operator, I think it's extremely important to have your eyes and ears in every location. And Eagle Eye gives us a great opportunity to do that. Plus we have the opportunity to look in at all times, not just for security and safety, but also for coaching and training and teaching. So it's been a really, really great fit for us, and the fact that we have all our data in the cloud is an enormous help. We treat every customer as we would a friend, and we call them friends. When Eagle Eye came to me, that opportunity to speak with them, I felt like that they were bending over backwards to wow us and to treat us as if we were their friends.